HiringOpps job board platform is currently integrated with two different backfill vendors. Right now we have ZipRecruiter and Juju. So if you do want to leverage Backfill, you will have to apply for what's called an API key from either of those vendors. If you do have any questions about where to apply or how to apply, please reach out to your HiringOpps project manager and they can get you set up in that process and point you in the right direction. If you're not familiar with Backfill, how Backfill works is it basically sends a feed of jobs to your job board to build out the jobs on your job board. A lot of job board startups choose to leverage Backfill because what happens is ZipRecruiter, for example, will send you a feed of jobs. So what you're looking at here is a job search results page. So these three jobs at the top are natively posted on the job board. So when somebody clicks on one of them, what happens is the job description and all of the details load on your actual job board. So underneath these, you'll see these jobs look a little bit different. They don't have a save button. They don't have a checkbox next to them. These are the backfill jobs that start to populate. So if you click on one of the backfill jobs, for example, what happens is the job is taken back to where it was originally posted. So this is being used through the ZipRecruiter API, and ZipRecruiter pays you on a cost per click basis to send traffic to their job board. So again, if you go back to search results and you click on one of those job postings, you're taken back to where the job is actually posted. So sometimes that's on an ATS, sometimes that is directly on the ZipRecruiter site, but the candidate is not prompted to register on your platform. So again, you're generating some nominal revenue because you're getting paid on a cost per click basis to send traffic back to those different vendors. But you're not collecting the candidate into your database. So once you have your API key and you want to get set up, you come to your job board admin panel. And what you'll do is on the left here, you'll click Sites. And then on the right under the Actions dropdown, you'll click Edit Site. And then there are a lot of general settings on this page that you may have already seen. If you want to go ahead and just scroll down, you'll be able to see the Job Backfill Provider field. And what happens is that you'll see a drop down here where you can select the different vendor that you want to choose to work with. So if you have an API key from ZipRecruiter, you would select them. And then you can set the threshold. The threshold is the number of jobs you want to show up in search results. So that can vary, whatever you want to add there. And then you add your API key down here. So for ZipRecruiter, it would go in this field. If you're using Juju, it's a partner ID that would go in this field. And then you can also set a backfill default phrase. So by default with Backfill, you don't have a lot of control in terms of the type of jobs that are being populated on your job board. However, this feature is nice because it allows you to put in a phrase that will pull those specific jobs. So for example, if you're working in the remote industry, you only want jobs that are related to remote work. What this does is it's going to search the job title and then the job description. So again, it's just keyword based. So anywhere it sees that keyword, if it is listed in the job, it will pull only those jobs.